So tonight I made raw vegan burgers from scratch out of pecans, and it was so good that I honestly couldn't believe it. So let's get into it. I started off by cutting up some mushrooms. These are actually portobello mushrooms, and then I stuffed them into the blender. You can also use a food processor as well, in which I should have done because it was easier to use. So I chopped up some green peppers, and I have some sun-dried tomatoes that I added into it. I put a small clove of garlic. I chopped up some red onion. You can use other onions too, but red onion is more alkaline, and I put my pecans in there. I also used some coconut aminos so it can give it more of that meaty flavor, and then I went ahead and seasoned it. I put other seasonings as well, but that's what I recorded, and then I went ahead and I blended it. So this is why I said it's easier to use a food processor, because I was having some problems blending up the meat. But I couldn't believe it. Like, it molded, it stuck, and I tried it, and it was so good. I could not believe it. So anyway, this is how the raw burgers look. I got some arugula leaves, some alfalfa sprouts, and then I just decorated it so beautiful with some tomatoes and avocado on top. These are some of the best burgers I've ever had.